उनका जो जर्नी था बचपन से, वो अपने फैमिली के लिए क्या क्या करते थे।
तयारी करावी लागली होती लुकसाठी खास करून, कारण खूप वेगळा लुक आहे आणि तू ट्रेलरमधून आम्हाला खूप सरप्राईज केलेलंस.
थांब एक मिनिट प्रेम.
येस.
कशी आहे तू?
मस्त. लुक विषयी सांग, कशा पद्धतीची तयारी तू केली होतीस, कारण तुला पुट ऑन करावं लागलं होतं.
हो.
बाकीचं सिनेमेचं डबिंग आणि या सगळ्या गोष्टी होत्या.
आता डबिंग चालू आहे, पण पूर्ण प्रोसेस होता. आमचं टीम फारच, आय मीन वी वर व्हेरी ब्लेस्ड टू हॅव अन अमेझिंग टीम. सुभाष दादा, सिमरन होती आणि वेगळे वेगळे लुक्स आहे फ्रॉम 17 to 45. सो ते तो प्रोसेस होता, तो खूप मज्जा आली, कारण की नेहमी काय ती व्हॉइस पण चेंज करायचं होतं, तर खूप मज्जा आली. पहिल्यांदा असं हा रोल मी प्ले करते, तर मज्जा आली, पण खूप चॅलेंजिंग पण होतं.
नक्कीच. आणि मराठी प्लॅटफॉर्मवर देखील तू हा सिनेमा प्रमोट करताना दिसशील आम्हाला.
मला असं वाटतं की कुठल्याही प्लॅटफॉर्मवर, आणि आम्हाला फक्त ते इन्व्हिटेशन भेटायला पाहिजे की तुम्ही या आणि प्रमोट करा, मग आम्ही जाणार तिथं.
Hi Shraddha, Mini from India Today. Here.
Hi.
Hi. Congratulations on such a powerful trailer.
Thank you. I hope you like it.
Yes. Thank you. There always has been instances of unsaid racism in the industry, be it the fairness creams that the celebrities endorse, or right from there's certain definition of beauty that's defined in a stereotypical way. Many celebrities have even cited examples for it, right from Abid Deol to now Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who has recently tweeted about this undenied, unsaid racism prevalent in the industry. So what's your take on it? Do you think it's certainly prevalent in the industry in certain amount?
I've always said that personally my definition of beauty is very different. In terms of, I believe that beauty is entirely skin deep first, and that's where you can come from any background, you can have any ethnicity, you can have any skin color. I feel that true beauty radiates from within, and of course I feel like, of course, in our society there are pressures, and I don't feel like it's only prevalent through the film industry. I don't agree with that. Just because our industry is more in the limelight, of course things tend to get a bit more highlighted because of that. But I do feel what's more important is, I was on this show, We the People, and we were talking about something completely different. We were talking actually about the Hindi language. Hindi and English languages being, is it cooler to know and speak Hindi? But I will give you the same analogy, and I'll give you the same example. I feel that there are pressures, right? There are pressures.
Fictional, you have to add your own understanding of the character. So
I feel कि हर फिल्म के साथ अलग challenges होते हैं, और पहली बार एक real life character पे based किरदार निभा रही हूँ, तो definitely satisfactory job at it. But I think with every role it's challenging, whether it's fictional or non-fictional. Every character has its own challenges to play, and I think it's great as an actor, you get to play so many different roles, and I'm very happy that this is the first time that I'm getting to play a real life character. Yes.
Hi Shraddha.
And my
Thank you.
second question is to Ankur. You played the role of a husband in Sarabjit. So was this film offered to you after Sarabjit, or how did this film happen?
So इस पिक्चर के लिए मैंने पहले टेस्ट दे दिया था अबू सर को, बट मैं फाइनली मतलब जब सरबजीत रिलीज हुई थी, आई थिंक वो देखने गए थे, और उस दिन उन्होंने मुझे वापस बुलाया था, और उस दिन मुझे पिक्चर मिली.
Hi Shraddha.
He is a good husband.
Hi Shraddha.
Hi.
This is Monica from Pop Bollywood.
Hi.
I just want to know you कि आज 22 years हो गए थे DDLJ को यहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग के, and fans are now a bit disturbed because the trailer launched. So what do you want to say?
Sorry, say that again, please.
22 years से यहाँ DDLJ की स्क्रीनिंग हो रही थी, and आज डिस्टर्ब हो गए, and fans are a bit upset.
Really?
They missed the screening. Yeah. So what do you want
want to make anyone upset about anything. But I'm not aware I don't know if anybody's been, if there is anybody who's upset or anything. Would you know?
Can we have next question, please? Relevant to the movie.
Hi Shweta, how much weight did you?
Mr. Invisible.
Yeah. So how much weight did you actually put on, and can you talk us through the weight gaining and weight losing journey?
I put on a few kilos. Apu sir, how many kilos I put on? I don't remember. 8?
I think it was 7 to
7
9.
to, yeah. And now I'm in the process of losing that weight. And I'm trying to. लेकिन of course, I was hoping कि यार weight मेरे arms पे जाए थोड़ा सा, लेकिन हर किसी का body type होता है, तो ज़्यादा करके मेरे पेट पे ही जा रहा था, और hips पे जा रहे थे ज़्यादा करके. I wish कि एक कोई ऐसा feature होता कि यार थोड़ा और arms पे जाए, थोड़ा और यहाँ पे आ जाए, थोड़ा और you can direct your weight, पर हर किसी का body type होता है, तो मेरा मतलब I wish कि यार मेरे हाथों पे जाता तो थोड़ा और मज़ा आता, पर it was a process. उस वक्त workout बिल्कुल नहीं करना था, कोई restrictions नहीं थी, जो भी खाना चाहते हो आप खा सकते हो. अप्पू सर सेट पे रोज बिरयानी, गुलाब जामुन, क्या क्या, ओहो अभी देखो अभी ना हो, बहुत खिलाया अप्पू सर ने, बहुत, हम सबको बहुत खिलाया. And I think that he loves. You have to see his face when he's talking about food. He lights up. It's like आज खाने में क्या खाओगे? आज बिरयानी यहाँ से मंगाए, आज ये करें. And we though are like always ready. We were very, and he would always order not one dish, 7 dishes. मतलब feeding everybody. So I think that my weight gain credit goes to Apu sir.
And the film was earlier offered to Sonakshi, so when you were
living in a democracy, and I guess the advantage is that everyone has a right to opinion. अगर होता है उसमें पैसे लगा के हम पिक्चर बना देते हैं. The question is, as a director and as a filmmaker and as someone who likes to say a story, मुझे क्या अच्छा लगता है बनाने के लिए, but I cannot foresee कि problem क्या होने वाला है, because like I said, जब लोग पिक्चर देखेंगे समझ जाएंगे कि हमने दोनों साइड का रिसर्च किया है, हमने ट्रेलर भी बैलेंस किया है, जो हमें बोलना था वो बोला है ट्रेलर में, एंड देयर इज इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द कैरेक्टर जिसका किरदार श्रद्धा निभा रही है ऑन द इंटरनेट. देयर इज इनफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अ ब्रदर एंड व्हाट अ ब्रदर इज डन, एंड जो पिक्चर का माहौल है वो बॉम्बे की हिस्ट्री के 40 साल में, तो वो हमने दिखाया है स्क्रीन पे एज बेस्ट टू आवर नॉलेज, जितना हमने रिसर्च किया था, जितना इंटरनेट पे है, जितना लोगों से बात की है. तो स्क्रीनिंग तो स्पेशल किसी के लिए नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन अगर कुछ होता है तो देखेंगे यार, बड़ा वो होता नहीं है.
All the best. Thank you so much. Thank you, please, thank you. Okay, that's the last question, please. Can we take the mic?
Shweta, we of course haven't seen you in a role like Hasina Parker, but honestly, before the film happened, were you a little bored of doing the girl next door roles which Bollywood was offering you?
I don't think I can ever get bored of romantic films and being a part of romantic films. I think that I've had the opportunity to be a part of a few romantic films now, films that have had a very strong love angle. So, me being somebody who loves watching them, watching romantic movies, I love being a part of them. And I would always take up a interesting romantic script, always. So, and I feel like, I think being an actor can very rarely be a boring thing to do or to be, because you get to play so many characters, and I cannot remember one instance when I was bored. Okay, except for when if I take very long to get ready for my character, sometimes that can get a bit challenging in terms of how long you can sit on that chair, and then you're like, break please, 2 minute break, and you walk and you go to stretching and all that, go and sit on your chair again. But I think that being an actor and just being in films is a real privilege, and you get to be a part of so many different worlds. So I feel very grateful for all the films that have been offered to me.
Thank you so much for the questions. Thank you, media members. अपूर्व, आप फोटो op के लिए कुछ और team members को बुलाना चाहेंगे?
Just for a photograph, can I invite my cast and crew on stage just to take a photograph, guys? Please come.
Also, along with them, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Kishan
Come,
Jain,
guys.
Mr. Rajendra Gavde, Trustee Maratha Mandir Cinemas, and Mr. Rohit Shetty from Srinathji. Thank you so much for making this afternoon possible.
And lastly, thank you all for coming and taking the time to come and watch our trailer. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, 18th of August is the release date. Please find some time and go and be a part of this. Lovely people who join us on stage. Can we have the star cast on stage for solo pictures? Shraddha, Siddhant, Ankur, Apoorv. Can I just have the star cast on stage, please? The winners from Facebook also. The fan club from Facebook. Can you just gather on stage, please?
चलो करोगे?
Fan club from Facebook.
फेसबुक वाला नहीं चाहिए